Hello again, welcome back to CS170. I realized that some people have issues watching the video for the conditional formatting, so I'm going to do it over again, hopefully with less records and bigger view of the spreadsheet, so that kind of should help with the blurriness issue. Um, so we're doing conditional formatting again. Um, and if you notice in the modules, I put into the resources for the modules, I put in a conditional formatting in Excel. If you look at this at the bottom, it actually goes into the point of you can do multiple criteria, which is basically what I'm doing in this example here. So hopefully you can take a look at that, look at the different ways you can do conditional formatting, and hopefully you find that useful. Okay, so let's go to here. So you see it's similar, but I trimmed down the number of columns. You really don't need that many columns to prove the point here. And I also trimmed down the number of rows here. Okay, so let's take a look at this. First, I'm going to just select all these guys. I'm going to select here to here. And let's do conditional formatting. And let's look at the category for furniture. Right, where'd that guy go now? Here we go. So furniture, oops, chair, like that. Okay, and we'll fill it red. Okay, so that's good. So you got that. And I'm going to go in here and manage rules. And you remember last time, which I'm going to do again here. Now we want to have from F2 down to F25. F2, F25. So that covers this. Nothing really changes here, but now whenever you do something, it's gonna, the output or the criteria is gonna be affecting here, okay, as opposed to like the whole range that I highlighted here. Let's edit this rule. And right now it's based on this. Let's go to formula, and I'm just gonna implement just exactly this right now. So we want $F2 equals to furniture, like that. Okay, and let's apply that, and no change, right? Which is not surprising. That's what we expect. So now we got that going. Now we want to do the AND setup. So now we're going to do AND and it's going to be the different criteria separated by commas. So I'm going to have a comma here. And what do we want? Let's get $L2 less than 0. So basically all of your money losing furniture. So less than 0. Okay. Oops. And apply. Okay. So you can see, I'll just kind of look at it here. You got your furniture that's red, and you got your profit is negative, which is what we're checking for. And then down here, same thing, furniture and negative. Now, let's say we actually do want to do a little bit more than just the F column. Let's change this and see what happens. Let's make it L, like that, and apply. And you see what happens is it basically takes that whole record, applies that format all the way across, like that. Okay, so just a preference thing, however you want to do it, right? I could have actually taken the whole record all the way across to make it red if that's what I wanted to do. So again, your preference, I just show it to you so you have a view on that. Okay. I think that should be it as a redo on this conditional formatting. But hopefully I've done enough on the conditional formatting between this and doing the gradients that you should have more than enough example and explanation to be able to do the homework. So give me a shout if that's not the case. All right, thank you.